In this video, you'll learn how to process a partial refund on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully issue a refund to a buyer while ensuring compliance with eBay's policies. To begin, log into your eBay account and navigate to the My eBay section. From there, select Sold Items to view your recent transactions. Look for the specific order that is eligible for a partial refund. Once you locate the order, click on the option labeled More Actions. A drop-down menu will appear, and from this menu, select Issue Refund. It is important to ensure that the order meets eBay's refund policy before proceeding. Properly locating the transaction is crucial to avoid any mistakes during the refund process. Next, you will need to enter the refund amount. This should be the specific amount that you have agreed upon with the buyer. Additionally, you will have the option to provide a reason for the refund or include a message to clarify the situation. Make sure to verify the refund method, which is typically the original payment source used by the buyer. Accurate entry of these details is essential to prevent any disputes and to ensure that the refund is processed smoothly and efficiently. After entering the necessary information, review all details carefully before submitting the partial refund. Once you are satisfied with the information provided, click the button to submit the refund. eBay will automatically notify the buyer of the refund, which helps maintain clear communication. It is advisable to track the status of the refund to ensure that it has been completed successfully. Keeping records of related messages and transactions will also be beneficial for future reference. If the buyer has any questions regarding the refund, respond to them promptly to maintain a positive relationship. Completing all steps accurately and efficiently is important for ensuring a smooth refund process and to uphold your seller reputation on the platform. By following these procedures, you will contribute to maintaining positive feedback from your buyers. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.